Hi class, today I wanted to show you something in my math lab that some students really find helpful. So I'm in my math lab right now and I'm going to go over here to the multimedia library. And then you can select what chapter you want. So let's say we're looking at functions, and then you select which section you want to look at. So how about properties of a function's graph? And then look at all the different things that they have available. So I'm going to say select all of them. Okay, so then I can scroll down. Notice this is what a lot of students were really excited about, is having a PowerPoint that goes through the lesson. So you can check that out if that is helpful to you. There are videos, you already have been using the videos, but there are videos available through here as well. And let me just show you a quick PowerPoint. Okay, so it goes to section 2.2, and then it goes over the objectives. It tells you all the stuff you need to know. Goes through examples. Okay, so just a helpful hint if that's something that you're interested in. I hope